Dito sa post ng GMA Network, title, Manila Teachers Urge COMELEC to prove Stella Kimbo for possible vote buying via AIX. AIX yung Assistance to Individuals in Crisis Situations. Nagreklamo ang mga public school teachers sa Marikina na bakit binigyan nyo ang mga teachers, hindi naman sila in crisis situation dahil may sweldo eh. Okay, so basahin muna natin dito sa then magbigay tayo ng comment, reaction. A group of Marikina, ito, May 3, ngayon lang na-publish by Jamil Santos. A group of Marikina City Public School teachers urged the Commission on Elections to prove the distribution of financial assistance to their colleagues through the DSWD's Assistance to Individuals in Crisis Situation program is spearheaded by Marikina 2nd District Representative Stella Kimbo. In their letter, the teachers said the cash distribution may constitute vote buying or political misuse of government resources close to the election. The teachers have submitted videos and photo evidence to support their claim. Patay kang bata ka. Kasi, a picture speaks 1,000 words, lalo na kung video. Habang dinidistribute, binibigyan ng pera ang mga teachers sa isang formal program pa. Okay. Ito, sa letter ng teachers. The Commission on Election should investigate whether this could be considered vote buying or using power to influence votes, which are not allowed under the law. Okay? Aside from COMELEC Law Department, the teachers' letters were also sent to Department of Education, DSWD, and Civil Service Commission. The concerned teacher said details about the DSWD financial aid were announced during a meeting on Project Teach. So, it's a formal program ng DepEd. Kimbo, who is running for Marikina Mayor, was reportedly present during the payout, which was held from April 21 to 23, 2025 at the Q Civic Center. Ito yung may video, may pictures. Sabi ng mga teacher sa letter, we find this alarming because we, take note we, public school teachers, are not poor or in crisis. Marlene, halika sandali. We find this alarming because we, public school teachers, are not poor or in crisis and do not fall under the usual DSWD guidelines for this kind of help. Also, some of our co-teachers were told to help check IDs and documents of other teachers to process this aid. We were also told to give our own IDs to be listed as recipients. Okay, the Department of Social Welfare and Development, ito yung nasa letter should clarify why teachers are included in the AIX program during the election period, especially if the help is being used to by political reasons, they said. Okay? GMA News Online asked Kimbo for comment, but she has yet to respond regarding the matter. Kaya nga, itong AIX, Assistance to Individuals in Crisis Situation. Noong pandemic, ayan, nagsimulang AIX kasi crisis eh. Ngayon, wala na may pandemic. Binibigay pa rin ang AIX. So, okay lang yun. Kailang, ang bibigyan mo yung crisis, yung pobre. Teachers, May sweldo. Okay, may bisita kong teachers. Hindi ko na lang ipakita ang mukha. Magkano na ang sweldo ng teachers ngayon? Itong bisita ko nandito sa harapan ko.
Yung teacher 1.
Lakasan mo, lakas.
Teacher 1, 30 plus. 30 plus.
30 plus, 30,000 plus ang monthly ng teacher 1.
Then teacher 2.
Teacher 2.
32.
32, so patas na.
Oo, patas na yun.
Anong teacher level ka na ngayon?
Teacher 3.
3, anong salary mo?
Teka, ako pala yung teacher 3, 32. Yung
okay,
teacher
sige na.
Pala,
So, basta, so okay naman yun. Hindi ka naman maghihirap, basta wag ka lang maluho sa buhay yung 30,000 na sweldo. Hindi kayo considered poor. So, anong masasabi mo itong balita sa Marikina na ang mga teachers binigyan ng ayuda? Anong masasabi mo doon? Sana all.
Sana all na.
Sana all. Bigyan nyo lahat. Sige na. Kaya nagreklamo ang mga teachers sa Marikina. Ayan, saludo tayo sa mga Marikina teachers nga sumulat sa COMELEC, sa DepEd, sa DSWD. Bakit? Wala na talaga. So, ito, yung candidacy ni Stella Kimbo, bago lang namatayan habang nagbibigay ng ayuda, isang tao nahimatay, I don't know, heat stroke ba yun? Tapos lumabas sa social media, yun. Plus ito, reklamo. Yung nalalapit pa na, ano ito? Yung oral argument ng 2025 budget na siya ang center of attraction. Specified sa Supreme Court na mag-attend siya. So, ano sa tingin nyo? May pag-asa bang mananalo si Stella Kimbo? Sa ngayon, sa tingin ko, mahirapan siya. Dahil sa markang markado sa marami yung ginawa niya kay BP Inday Sara. Marami ng mga tao na so good luck Congresswoman Stella Kimbo sa iyong kandidatura.
Sino ang magre-resign? Ito para malinaw. Gusto kong malinaw. Mga mamaya, si Tore lang ang magre-resign ninyo. Tingnan mo na. Yung mga pulis ang tinatanong. Ano ang sabi ng mga pulis?
Mas gusto yata ni Atty. Vic personal. Gusto niyo ba? Okay, sa punto po ito, bigyan naman natin ng pagkakataon. Siyempre, itong attorney na to, kakaiba ito. Dahil dito sa ginawang TRICO hearing, tama ba TRICO? Napakaganda nung sinabi niya tungkol doon sa fake news. Tungkol doon sa nangyari kay Aristotle na matapos husgahan, lumipas ang maraming panahon. Tama pala si Aristotle! So hindi ko na po patatagalin. Palakpakan po natin. Walang iba.